How to temporarily disable your Snapchat account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily disable your Snapchat account. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Your profile page will appear. Tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the delete account option. Tap on delete account and follow the prompts to enter your username and password to confirm the deactivation of your account. Alternatively, if you want to temporarily deactivate your account without going through the settings, you can press and hold the Snapchat app on your home screen and select the option to remove or uninstall the app. This will temporarily deactivate your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.